Hey guys, for this video, yan, that's my haul today. Hey guys, nagluto ko og green beans na may patatas, carrots, and then ground beef. So, ayan, linagyan ko siya ng oyster sauce. Ayan, may konting sabaw siya ng beef broth. Ayan siya guys, nilagyan ko din siya ng linagay ko. Garlic powder, magic sarap, konting asin. Ayan, palambutin ko lang siya. Tapos, ayan, tapos na siya. Diba? Pang ano to guys? Pang Filipino version. Green beans, carrots, and patatas, onions, at saka garlic. Sarap. Sarap siya guys. Paanhin ko lang siya, palambutin para haunin. Charot. So, that's my all on today guys. Bye-bye! Hey guys, luto na ang ating and Izzy is here! Yes! We're gonna eat, okay? After here, okay? We're gonna eat, love, okay? Okay? Okay, look at him. It's very sweet. My baby is no baby no more. Hello. What? What? While I'm cooking, he's busy too. Right, Izzy? Up, love. Up, love. We're almost finished, love. Yay! Almost done. Look at this. Very yummy, yummy. Masarap ang aking green beans. Yummy siya guys. Diba?